At last, Samsung might finally do it. The gap between Apple and Samsung will grow bigger and bigger in one key area if Samsung finally implements this much needed upgrade for the S24 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 Plus. This will be Samsung's perfect response to the iPhone 15 series bigger battery upgrade. For some reason, Samsung has kept their flagship phone users deprived of the dopamine rush you get when you see a smartphone with super fast extreme charging. While Samsung won't go overkill with 100 or 240 watt charging, they're gonna bring a reasonable fast charging upgrade much faster than the iPhone charging speeds. According to the latest leaks, Samsung could unlock 65 watt fast charging on the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra, all thanks to the new stacked battery technology which will take less footprint inside the phone with better thermals and efficiency. As much as the phone lasting longer matters, the charging speeds are equally important as well, and that is one area where Samsung can definitely get better. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. Also in the news, this is a big one. The One UI 6.0, which is going to be the version we're also going to see on the S24 series out of the box, it is almost here as we're seeing more and more One UI 6.0 firmware for the S23 Ultra. This time One UI 6.0 will actually be available in a lot more countries than before, meaning more people can get their hands on the One UI 6.0 beta than ever before. Now last but not the least, as you may know already, Samsung is working on releasing the Galaxy S23 FE for selective markets. We already saw the design. There's a good chance that the S23 FE could have a very beastly performance, and no, I'm not talking about the Exynos 2200 variant. Apparently it could have Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in the US. If this is true and they price the S23 FE just right, it might actually be a pretty sick deal along with the new cameras, but then again, that front display bezels are a bit horrendous, especially compared to the recently launched Nothing Phone 2, so it's gonna be a very confusing situation, but let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Finally, a big fast charging upgrade could come to the S24 Ultra and the S24 Plus. That's all for the news. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.